We're in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania right now. We're working with OIC and the Sullivan Training Network, and we're putting on a STEM Fest for the YMCA and students in surrounding areas. What we have right now is we're doing a STEM Fest, and some of our activities include you get to fly a drone in a drone cage, you get to manipulate some RC trains and tractors and things like that. We also have where you can design your own paper airplane and test how it flies. We also have some chemistry stations that students will be able to learn about different chemical reactions. We also have biology, where students, and this is really cool, they'll get to see an actual sheep's heart and touch an actual sheep's lung. We have a station that teaches participants the basics of flight on Microsoft Flight Simulator. That's awesome.
Well, it's pretty amazing because we came up with this concept in 2017, sitting in the Wyndham Hotel here in Philadelphia. We drew it out on a paper tablecloth. Our first STEM Fest had 50 kids in the middle of the pandemic. We then grew that to 400, and now here we are across the country with 500 children. Our intent is to grow to 20 cities, and we're well on our way. Give me your hand.
Oh, I'm super excited. It's the first city outside of Minneapolis that we've been able to host a STEM Fest, and so being able to gather hundreds of kids in one room to come and celebrate STEM and to learn and explore it's unbelievable.
Hey, can you tell me what you're doing?
I'm hitting a banana and it's connected to a piano.
Oh, it's super busy. Every kid is interacting. They were anticipating the moment to be able to come over here into the gym. So I see kids building with Legos. They're learning about dissection of sheep hearts. They're learning about chemistry. There's a lot of different things happening. And again, the bigger thing is just to expose them so that they can see themselves learning new things that can potentially develop into a career.
Oh, that's cool.
First, we carved the outside. It was just a foam block before, and we carved the outside. Then we went to the next station, and we had to add the wheels. We had to put the wheels together. And then we came to the decorating station, and we decorated it. Then we went over to the electronic station, and we had to connect the wires and twist them and then put the hats on them for safety. We had to put the batteries in, and we also had to move the fan on. And then that's when we just hot glued all the stuff on.
Come on.
My favorite thing was
All right.
Thank you, Thank you.